Alright, hey everybody, I'm Ash, and today I'm gonna show you how to use SlidesMania. It's an awesome tool which can make your presentation look brilliant, and it's completely free. So let's head over to slidesmania.com. I'm already there. There are different options up there: multi-purpose, creative, or simple or fun. Choose whatever you like. I'm going with creative, for instance. There are many templates here. You can choose whatever you want. I'm gonna go with cute monkeys mini theme. Now when you click on it, you're going to be directed to another page. Now here you have to scroll down, and there are two options: download PowerPoint or open in Google Slides. You can choose any one you want. I'm going to go with open in Google Slides. Then when you click on it, you're going to be directed to another page. Here on the right top corner, there's a button called use template. You have to click on that, and once you click on it, the page is going to direct you to a copy of this template in Google Slides. Here you can do whatever you want to it. You can add to it. You can make it your own. So this is a very cool tool. You can use it whenever you want to make your presentations look awesome. So I encourage you to check it out.